technique on a cake, and I want to show you how I do that, so just keep on watching to see what I do. Okay, so to do this, I have a turntable that has, a piece of non-skid pad on it. This prevents the cake from sliding around when it's on the turntable. This turntable I got probably 15 years ago on like eBay or something, so I'm not even sure where I would link that, but I can link a different turntable below. So this cake is fresh out of the refrigerator, and it's iced in buttercream. And then I have a bowl of white buttercream, and I have 2 pieces of plastic wrap, whatever plastic wrap you're going to use. So what I'm going to do is just crumble this up into a little ball. And I hate that I'm right-handed and I film on the left side. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to dip this in the icing and get some icing on here. And just start wiping it on the side of the cake. And I'm just taking this and keep dipping it in the icing, grab some more icing on here, and wipe it around the cake. And it just gives a really cool effect. I figured this out by mistake because I usually use this method when I want to make a stucco effect in buttercream. I already did another video like this. When you just press it on like this, and it gives like a stucco effect. So that's just a different look to it. But it looks really cool if you just wipe it on like this. So just do this around the whole cake. I'm just gonna grab another fresh piece as the other one was getting a little too dirty. Not dirty, but filled with buttercream. So crumbling it up again and just wiping it around the cake. Just to clean up the design a little bit. Now it is sticking up a little bit over the top. I'm just going to take a paper towel and this spatula. This icing is hard. The cake is just out of the refrigerator, so I can kind of just scrape off the excess over the top lightly. Now you can do this pattern on the very top of the cake if you want. I'm just choosing not to. I don't know if I'll do it after I put the other tiers on, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And look how pretty. So here you go. Here is your cool little cake with this textured buttercream technique on it. I think it just looks really pretty to do something a little different. A couple tips on that. I always do textured buttercream after I ice the cake and put it in the refrigerator, let the icing harden, and then I add the texture to it. I just find it easier that way. I'm sure you could do this as you are icing the cake, but this way I know that I'm not going to mess up the cake as I try to clean up the edges or anything like that, if that makes any sense. What else? And you don't have to do just one fell swoop with the piece of plastic. You can mess around with it. You can go up and down. You can do little short little lines or whatever. Just mess around with it and get different patterns on your cake. It's just something different and pretty that you can do to add some texture to your cakes. There's a lot of different buttercream textures that I do, and I have posted a couple videos on them. I can link them below. So I think that is it for now. If you have any questions, leave them below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And like always, please like this video if you liked it and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and you want to see more videos like this. And you can follow me. I'm on social media. I am on, what am I on? I am on Facebook, Instagram, and I have my website. I will link all of that below. I think that is it for now. So I will see you on the next one. Bye.